Your deduction cannot exceed 50% of your adjusted gross income. Check the value of your car. The maximum amount you deduct on your income tax return is the fair market value of your car. Fair market value is the price a willing buyer would pay and a willing seller would accept for the car. When neither party is compelled to buy or sell, and both parties have reasonable knowledge of the relevant facts. Some fundamental principle should be applied when you want to check the value of your car. A used car guide may be a good starting point to value your car, but you should exercise caution. The